In this tutorial, we will see that how you can recover your old WhatsApp account without SIM in just few steps. So let's dive in. So in the first step, you have to find a phone of your friend or any family member and open WhatsApp here. Then on the right top side, you will find these three dots. Click on that and open the settings. Scroll down, you'll find here this help option, open help center. Then you will find the sum of options. You have to open this account and account B. Open this account and then click on the spot on the right bottom side here. You have to type your problem that I want to recover my old WhatsApp account without SIM and click on this next. Then it will give you some of related queries like about lost or stolen phone and accounts and many more like this. So you have to open this first one about lost or stolen phones. Here it will give you some of information to get your account back. But if you don't find it beneficial for you, you can simply talk to WhatsApp agent by just clicking on this send my question to WhatsApp spot. And then it will generate a ticket number for you and you can simply talk to them and they will help you fix your problem. So that's how you can recover your old WhatsApp account without SIM in just few steps. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.